And then the statement of the Chinese embassy. Ano? Why would they make a statement like that sa ating bansa?
Do you consider that it has reached a point na security concern, Mr. Sir?
That's true. In fact, we are right now at this time ay draft na ako ng resolution to investigate on the Pogo online gaming of PACO.
Sir, tingin niyo ba, sir, may negligence sa part ng BCDA? Kasi ibang portions, kadikit lang ng mga military camps, sir.
We will look into that. Kasi hindi ko alam ba't ganun eh. Oo.
Especially Fort Bonifacio din, sa Villamor. Tapat lang nun, sir, Pogo Hub din, sa Mega Resorts World.
That's true. We cannot deny that.